In this video, I'll be showing you how I created my portable shampoo sink using no plumbing. And in the beginning of the video, I'm just showing you all the products that I use. I will also include in the description link the exact links to the products so you can know what you need. And this is the shampoo sink, and it came with the chair attached. I got it off the Facebook Marketplace for $75, and all I did was go and pick it up. It is a little damaged on the back, but that's okay because that's going to be against the wall, but it came like that, which is totally fine. And this is a little compartment. It's supposed to come with like a little piece that slides inside of there, but it did not, but that's okay as well. This is the sprayer head that I ordered off Amazon, and it's like a water filtration system combined into the sprayer head, which is the reason the beads are in there. So it's supposed to filter the water because, as you know, Texas has hard water. And this is how you connect it into the shampoo sink, which I think is really, really cool. We're going to turn it on later once we're done, and you'll see how it works. And first, we're just going to start with putting the parts together with our little diaphragm pump here. And I also ordered this off Amazon, as well as the parts that we're connecting to the diaphragm pump. And I'm not showing it in this exact clip, but everywhere that you're screwing pieces together, you want to go back and put the tape on there. And I'm going to include the link to the tape as well. And it's called plumber's tape. And this is how it looks. And like I said, I'll include the link so you'll know exactly what tape to get. And I just wrap that around a couple of times. And you want to wrap it in the direction that you're going to screw the attachment on, so you're not screwing in the opposite direction and making the tape come loose. I hope that's making sense. You want to take your pliers and make sure that it's tight so you don't have any leaks. And this is our little diaphragm pump here. What we connected was the hot water line, and now I'm just putting on my plumber's tape and connecting the cold water line to the diaphragm pump. And then you would take the additional line that we purchased, as I'm showing in the video here. Then you're going to connect it to the other side of the diaphragm pump. And once you connect that, you're going to connect the opposite side of that to the cold water line of the hot water tank. The diaphragm pump will come with these little pieces, and you're just going to take one of those and twist it on the diaphragm pump like so. And this line that we're adding will connect to your water source. In this clip, I'm just cutting boards to the size of the trash cans I'm going to use to move the water source around, which includes the clean water and the wastewater. And the clean water trash can holds about 20.4 gallons of water, which you know can be pretty heavy. So we're attaching wheels. And once I get the wheels attached, I'll put the trash cans on there, and they're empty right now, but it's going to show you how it looks. And then it just pretty much makes the water source mobile and easy to kind of fill up and dump out when necessary. And both boards include 2 swivel wheels and 2 stationary wheels. And the swivel wheels allow me to kind of move the boards from left to right as needed. And this is how it looks once the water is filled up. This is my clean water. And this is where my wastewater will go on this side when it empties out of the sink. And I'm just turning on my pump and my hot water heater. The hot water heater does take a while to warm up. And this is my LED sprayer head. And as you can see, it works really good. The water pressure is great. And this is how the setup looks. I'm going to add an additional clip, and this is just a revision of my setup. I did add a table here to like lift my hot water heater up a little bit. And as you can see, I just placed the diaphragm pump in front of the hot water heater, and it just helps because I did notice when the diaphragm pump is lying down, it does leak, but if you hold it upright, it does not. You will see now that this video, you'll just see a still picture because I have some additional things that I need to say. I would like to say I've seen in other videos where others have tried to use like a 6-gallon or a 7-gallon container. I will tell you now from experience, I've already shampooed someone's hair, and I will say that's not going to be enough water. So I did find that going to get trash cans have been better for me. The trash can on the right in the photo where It has the water line. It is 20.4 gallons, and I believe the trash can on the left, which will empty where the wastewater empties, I think that's about 13 gallons. If not, I'll have the description link, that trash can that I purchased from Walmart, and I found that this is enough. But if you have any additional questions for me, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as fast as I can. Once again, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.